Hello everyone! Here's my bagoong rice. It's one of the Filipino comfort food that I really like, and this is made with shrimp paste, or what we call bagoong in the Philippines. Watch this video and I'll show you how to do it. Please like and subscribe our channel. Here are the ingredients of bagoong rice. Of course, the rice. I use jasmine rice, and you can also use basmati or the wild rice or whatever you like, or the red rice or brown rice. It's okay. And pork belly. So in this cooking, I use like half kilo because my family loves pork belly. So it's up to you if you wanted to have a lot of pork belly or just a little bit for flavoring. But for me, I really like pork belly, so I'll be cooking a lot. We have garlic, onions, red pepper, and tomato. And of course, the bagoong. This time I use the mega bagoong because I like it's not very oily, it's very flavorful, and it's not too spicy. For me, it's perfect. I've used several brands, but for me, I like this. And for the toppings, we have shrimps, green mango. I prefer the very sour green mango, lime or calamansi, shallots, tomato, cucumber, and scrambled egg that I prepared earlier. Okay, now we will boil the pork belly. In Filipino, we call the procedure kinupusan. So that means you boil the pork belly and let it simmer until the water is reduced. Just a little bit of that. Put a little bit of salt to taste. Actually, I like more salt than normal for kinupusan. So, a little bit of salt. Love this salt. Okay. So let it boil. And you wait. So now it's boiling. You just wait until the water will evaporate, all of it, and then you can add a little bit of oil, just a little bit, and then you just continue mixing it until golden brown. Okay, now the water has evaporated. You just have to continue mixing it until it's golden brown and crispy. Other people like it not so crispy, so it really depends on you how you want your pork to be done. But crispy and golden brown for me is the best. So be careful with the oil because in this stage it gets a bit scary. Oh, there you go. You just have to lower the fire. Then it won't be as scary. Okay. Right now I turn it to like medium. So you just have to wait before you mix it together. Okay, now we're almost done. This is the part that I really hate, frying the pork belly, because it will really burn your face. Look, it's perfect brown and crispy and smelling so good. So now you have to, we will put it aside. turn this up, okay? Look at that. Okay, this is for, you can mix it with your rice while sauteing together with the bagoong, but I really like this to be on the toppings because for me it's the star of the bagoong rice. So now, with the oil from the pork belly, we will use that in sauteing our garlic, onion, and pepper. Okay, now saute the garlic. Ooh. The pork oil gives this very nice aroma and flavor. Okay. Okay. Now that the onion is transparent, you can now add the bagoong. So for the, I cook about like half kilo of rice. So with half kilo of rice, I normally use like half of this container. So for more flavor. Or it really depends on you if you want it more spicy or more salty. You can put as much as you want, and you just have to mix it together with the garlic and onion mixture. And when it is, it smells so good. Now that it's thoroughly mixed with other ingredients, it's time to put on the rice. Yeah. You can put slowly so that you can mix it properly. Okay. Then lower down the heat so that it won't burn. You just mix it. Yeah, look at that. Smelling good and looking good. It's looking perfect. Actually, you can put like your leftover spam, leftover corned beef with this. It really is like fried rice, like normal fried rice. The last time I made bagoong rice, I put on the leftover spam, and it was good. And maybe also if you want to add like pineapple, you can also add pineapple. Okay, now it's thoroughly mixed. Well, I can also put a little bit of the eggs. a little bit of the pork in it to the mixture. Okay. Okay, and we're done. Now I will do the plating. And our bagoong rice is ready. And now I will put the toppings. So it's up to you how you would like to design it. So now watch how I will do mine. So since the pork belly is my favorite among all of this, I'll put this in the middle like this. Oops, sorry. And then maybe some shrimp on the side. And then some tomato here. You know, when you eat this dish, it's like all the flavors will just burst in your mouth, and it really has a very nice and different texture and different flavor. It's really something, for me, it's a comfort food. So I actually cook this dish like 4 to 5 times a month. My husband and my daughter also loves this dish, so it's a happy meal for us. And I hope it's a happy meal for all of you also. And now I can put the cucumber on the side for added. And maybe nice. I like also when there's a lot of green mango, because it's a nice contrast with the saltiness of the bagoong. Okay. Okay. So, some shallots. So, and fried garlic to add more flavor on the top. I hope you can smell this dish from my kitchen. It's smelling good. And I can't wait for lunch. It's already 1 o'clock. Look at this. My bagoong rice a la Katrina. Thank you for watching. I hope you will try this recipe. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. I have something for you, Libby. Would you like to eat that? Okay. Okay, Mama. You want to eat this? Which one do you like to pick first?